think we're gonna get this thing going. Compression, spark, and fuel. That's what we need to get my go-kart running. On the last episode, we got the go-kart transported here, we got it unloaded. Now today, we're gonna try and get it running so my boys can take it for a spin. Let's get into it. What we're gonna start with is we're going to pull it out. We're gonna look at the engine, look at all the fuel lines, and look at what we need to replace, what we need to just straight up clean out, and see what it's gonna take to get this thing running. There's the old Briggs & Stratton motor. Let's pull this thing out, give it a cleaning, and see where we are. All right, so first things first, we're gonna have to go to the automotive store. We have to get a couple parts. It looks like we've definitely got some old things here that we wanna replace. Like there's a spring right here I can see. It's really, really loose, this one. It's got no spring to it anymore, so we're gonna get that. I need to get some brake clean just to clean off the parts. We need to get some engine, some oil. We're going to replace the spark plug just because it's been in here forever, so we're just going to get a new one of those.
Better safe than sorry.
Better safe than sorry. And we will be back. So join us as we go to the store. All right, see ya. So let's get this guy out. You can actually test if we have spark real quick too. Look at that, that thing is dirty.
I doubt we have sparks still. We could try.
You try for sure. Okay, so let's try that. Go ahead. Great, so we know we've got spark. Alright, so let's get a clean spark plug. While we're gone, I'm gonna do a little bit of PB blast on all these old screws and stuff in case I gotta take this apart so that it'll start soaking in. When you get back, it'll be easier to remove this stuff.
RJI9LM. This is it.
Is that it?
Yep.
RJI9LM. Perfect. Grab that guy. $4.99.
Cheap spark plug.
Sweet. Alright, so we need some Ace 10W30. Julian got it. Perfect. Alright. We also got some carb cleaner. We got some brake clean. We got our spring. We need to find some compressed air, okay?
6446.
Okay. Got our stuff.
You lose.
Got a spring. Try and cut it about the same.
Such a nice engine.
Okay, I got that little spring attached. That took some doing. That one's attached. Before we take anything apart, I think maybe we should try just putting it together. It's dry from oil and fuel forever. Maybe try putting a little bit in and seeing what results we get first, and then go from there. Pop this one on here. And then can you screw this one down for me? This one right here?
So, like...
Just say so. Get it so it fits, and now go.
Like that?
Yep, that's it. Good?
That's pretty good.
Pretty good? How do you feel? Yeah, perfect. All right. Can you find in the bag the spark plug, the new spark plug?
Is it this?
That's it. Can you open her up for me? Here, let's put it under the thing so we can see it on camera. It's our new spark plug. And do you want to see how we test for spark? There's an old one from this Champion from probably 1980 whatever, and our new one. So we're going to plug it in. And what we can do with Gabriel is, now I've got it plugged in here. If we touch another piece of metal and then pull the ignition, you should see spark in between. You see right here, see the little gap right there? You should see a spark in that gap, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna hold it with pliers just so I don't get sparked with a rubber handle. And watch, you watching?
Better stand back.
You watching? See, what?
Oh, I see it. I see a little spark.
Yeah. Okay, so we have spark.
There's not really sparks shooting up. You can see.
No, just in between the gap. Because that's what ignites the gas that's in here. So we tighten this. I'm just gonna do it with this because I don't have proper tools. So I'm just gonna try and get it in tight. Okay, put that in, plug that in. Okay, let's go ahead and connect the ignition right here. Flathead screwdriver. So Julian, I'll need you to help me with this in a moment, okay? Let's get this first through here. Through. Let's get this on. Let's take a throttle back in. Let's move this out of the way from the gas tank. Okay. And there's no gas in there. Just want to see if I spray carburetor cleaner in there. Oh, that's gonna go.
Is it better now?
Look, when I spray a little bit, so this, when I spray the carburetor cleaner into the carburetor, it's like fuel, so you'll see if I get compression, watch. Watch when I spray some in there. Right? Now when I do this, watch. Oh, baby! Oh, baby! All right.
Wait, it was starting to power on that.
That was it right there. So let's put some oil. All right, oh, baby. Do you hear that? Gabriel thing took off.
Did you see
All right.
that? He
All right,
put
so
some of this carburetor fluid in there to imitate gas. He put it on, and the go-kart actually started to fly forward.
All right, so let's put some oil because I don't think there's oil in
that
here.
definitely smells like a go-kart.
Okay, now we need gas. Does Noto have a funnel for oil over there?
Funnel. His funnel's everywhere.
Okay, hold on.
Gas?
Let's put a little bit of oil in here.
I feel like this is just gonna run right away off the bat. No, that's me. Rock, paper, scissors. But it moves without you picking too, so just to let you. So I can
Put some
do this
oil in.
experiment? No, I am, because I don't want you hurting yourself.
Let's see.
It's like gas.
Took apart the whole carburetor, cleaned it. Now I gotta put it all back together here. see if she runs, right? Oh my God. It worked. But the throttle, that's crazy. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. Oof. Oh my God. We are working, guys. Yes! Look, it's burning rubber. It's burning this tire up. This thing's gonna rip. Okay! We got it going. I need a boy to help me hold the throttle and the brake. Woo! I think we're gonna get this thing going. Let's get this on. Get the boys out here, and we're gonna give this thing its first drive with the kids. See what they think about it. I need one tester. So the only fair way to do this is we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to do the first drive. And with that, what are we doing? Is it best of one, best of three?
Best of one.
Best of one. Ready?
Best
So here we
of
go.
one.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yes!
Julian gets the first ride. All right. Remember, which is your left hand?
This one.
Because what? Your
L.
left hand is the only one that makes the letter L. So you know your left is your brake. correct?
Yep.
Can you reach the pedals fully?
Yes.
Can you press it all the way down? If you have to scoot up in the
Should
seat,
I
scoot
try
up
the
in
gas?
the seat. Scoot up in the seat if you need to, so you can press it all the way down.
Should I try the gas?
No.
Like to press that.
Not
the
right now.
brake is perfect.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna hold the brake. Okay?
Flip the toggle switch.
Flip toggle switch. Hold on. Try to just roll with no gas pedal right now. Okay?
I'm not gonna do gas.
All right.
Do you wanna
Safety
start
first. We have a fire extinguisher. He's in there.
Wow, you have to press this thing hard.
Stop. Okay. I want you to turn into the other driveway, but not into the trees. Press the gas a bit.
Smell of gasoline, the engines start to roar. We're chasing down the sun, feet pressed to the floor. Out on the open road, nothing in our way. This is the feeling of freedom today.
I found the squeaking sound right there. Look what it's doing there. This bolt right here. So I'm gonna try and tighten this, see if I can make it not touching this anymore. Rick. Okay, it's running. Time to wash it.
Did I get the inside too?
Yes, you did.
Including the seat cushions?
Yes, look what the sun is running. So that's it, guys. We got it working. It's great. It was not too bad. It was just a little bit of work. Gabriel, was it fun?
Yeah!
All right, so all it took was we got a new spark plug. And with the spark plug, we checked, we did have some spark. We cleaned out, we took apart the carburetor, cleaned out the entire carburetor, put in some new gas, some new oil, gave it a full few pulls, bam. It is off, it is running, it is doing great. Happy kid. Brings me right back to my own childhood. the smell of the exhaust and the gas, it's just like, it brings me right back, and it's the best thing ever. This is like, it's more of a gift to me than it is to my own kids to be able to give this to them. So stay tuned. This project is not finished yet. We've got something else we've got in mind for this project, right, Gabriel?
Yep.
Yeah. So stay tuned for part 3, and we'll see what we get going with it next. But as of right now, oh, pit crew, box, the chain popped off. All right, so we have to do, you know, it's not fully, hold on.
I think that engine is definitely too hot.
So stay tuned, part 3. We're gonna keep going with this project. We got something fun in store for this. And for now, please like, subscribe,
Definitely do that.
comment.
Oh yeah.
We really appreciate you. Just giving me a like, it really means a lot to me. It's a little bit of effort for you, but it goes a long way for me. So I really appreciate the support. All right, guys, so we'll see you on the next video. Peace out. See ya.
Bye.